In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, I want to show you simple logic. This is the judgment day. You have to be asked, who is my Lord? I'm right or wrong, you can decide. Very simple logic. Today, this is the example. You saw yesterday in Beirut, bomb blast, explosion, and many people die. Maybe last night I saw up to 70 people die, and they says 500 to 5,000 people injured, like wounded, like. So this is the before judgment day. Why you believe Ram if he not save humanity? Why you believe Jesus if he not save humanity? People die innocent, and corona, people die with disease, virus, and people die in the wars, so many. So why Jesus not safe? Why Ram not safe? Why Jewish God not safe? Here, even in China, communist, they're giving hard time for Muslims. So do you think God can save communist or God can save Muslims in China? No, this is the policy Almighty God Allah. He said, I'm unseen, alone, and eternal, you can't see me. That's why Muslim cannot prove Islam is a true like. But Christian says God, Jesus, he's a man. He not save anyone. Ram is a man. He not save anyone. Today, you can check. In India, Hindu population dominating in India, majority Hindu and minority is Muslims, and they deliberately they want to be build Ram temple. They not saw Ram. How come they believe he's a god like? This is the enemy for Muslims in India. You can come in Israel. Here, Masjid Aqsa, they call first Qibla, they call first direction for Salah in Islam. So this is the first one for all Muslims, and Jewish, they want to be built over the third temple like. And Jewish cannot prove they have God like, because only Muslim believe unseen God, and they believe cow also God like. And they don't believe Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad is a prophet like. So they can't prove they have God like, but they want to be built in Israel temple to show majority Jewish in Israel like. And same Muslims have trouble again in India and Israel also. Now you can come Christians in Turkey. One church, one time. So one Muslim king, he changed worship for Muslims, and church become mass long time. And Jesus not came. This is my church, he didn't say. And Muslim says he is only prophet, that's why he not came front of us like. And Muslims only relation with Jesus because he is a prophet like Moses and Abraham, David like. So later on, 200 century like, and they change for museum. Now again, this is majority Turkey Muslims, and they says this is not museum, this is mosque. Same thing Christians one time in Turkey majority they buy over their church. They not majority in Turkey today. Recently, they have communism and they have Islam in Turkey. They have different faith in Turkey. So Christians lose their faith. Christians lose their church. So why to be? Muslim says God is a to be. So versus only not to be Christians, not to be Hindu, not to be Jewish, and even humanity says big, point in communism. They want to be give to equality like for humanity in communism, but why they hate Muslims? So you can solve your problem. Now 4 places Muslim have trouble, and Muslim can't prove because God unseen alone in nature. This is true or not? Ask Almighty God. This is your question, and this is your problem, and this is the judgment day before. Innocent people dying, no one coming to save us, and Corona they want to be kicked out like worldwide, but no one you saw, no one, even Jesus or Ram, even Jewish God is not safe. Humanity. Allahu Akbar.